So, what is social psychology? What is social psychology? Social psychology is the scientific study of how people think about, influence, and relate to one another. That's according to David Myers, 2013. And most of the topics in this subject, yeah, uh, coming from the book of David Myers, Social Psychology. Right? So I have here another definition of social psychology coming from a different author. So it is a scientific field that seeks to understand the nature and causes of individual behavior, feelings, and thoughts in social situations. Okay, so if you're going to analyze the two definitions, somehow they are very related and you can hardly find difference